the ultra-luxury British brand debuted its new privacy suite for the extended Battle Phantom at the Chengdu Auto Show, currently in China. The rear cabin presents electrochromatic glass, a technology that separates the front and rear cabins at the touch of a button. The passenger in the rear seat has the option of a mirror or a completely opaque glass, which offers a total seclusion of the front cabin and the outside world. The curtains and the privacy glass moving forward in the area of the conasero deviate outward facing inward. In addition to the privacy of the outside world and the front cabin, Rolls-Royce has taken care to ensure that conversations are kept out of earshot. Therefore, the rear compartment has a frequency-specific compound to prevent conversations from traveling to the front cabin. In private moments, the passenger in the back seat can call the driver through an intercom system. On the other hand, the driver can also contact the rear passengers with the call function, but it is at the discretion of the passenger to respond or reject the communication. The privacy suite also has multimedia coverage. Two 12-inch monitors are coupled to automotive software and have HDMI ports to discreetly synchronize personal devices and little sensitive information in the cabin. The molding technology, privacy and luxury is the starhead of Rolls-Royce, and the clock made to measure on the front privacy glass.